Hello guys, I just want to do an unboxing here of a store I found out on eBay here. Their name is Stop, Shop and Roll. I purchased something. I came across this store here and I want to check. Let's see what I purchased from them. Let me see here. Let me get the trusty Jiffy knife out. Well, from inspection, the box looked great, in great shape and stuff. They went kind of a little bit overkill on the eBay tape, I could say that, but, you know, safe for sorry. Found the open end here. You probably go from you, really, when you cut a box, you probably go from you like that, but I can never do that. Let's see what we got here. Oh, a little bit more here. I'll probably just save this box and ship it something else in my box here. Recycle, you know, green. Let me see here. Oop, we got it right here. You don't want to tear it up if you want to reuse it. Just pop the shipping label over the old one. All we need to do. Yep. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, I'll show you what I ordered from Cool. I hope it make it in one piece. Look at the packing job they did. Look at this. Nice, shrunk packing paper around it here. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Wow, look at this. There's some more shipping supplies I can use. Look at this pretty bubble wrap here in the tape too. They use a bigger bubble wrap here. They're well packed. Look at this. Probably do a little bit better than I do sometimes. You know, y'all can, you know, people can take, you know, look how professional this packing job is here. I don't want to tear it up too much. I will probably use it again. You probably could throw this package over off the steps and on the ground here. I bet it would survive. Let's see what old Steven here, what old Steven purchased at Stop, Shop and Roll. I will put the link in the bottom of the video if y'all would like to check them out. Wow, look at this. They love that eBay tape, but you know, keep it safe. They have other cool merchandise in their store too. Yep. Like I said, I put the description down below. The store name is Stop, Shop, and Roll. Look at that. I better get this open before I break it. Oh, look at it. Look at this. It's a well packing job here. I tell you that they well packed. If they do all of their merchandise like this, you wouldn't have no worries on it. I'm gonna try to get it open out, tear it all open here. But they did a great job on it, I'll tell you that. Whew. Can't say nothing about their packing, I'll tell you that. Oh, finally got it here. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Let's get this out, this trash pickup here. Look at this. Let's just flop it on the ground here. There we go. Now I have to clean the damn mess up, don't I? There's more. Let me see what they have, what kind of paper they have here. Advertisement here. Hey, they even gave me a coupon here. Ah, shoot, that coupon is, oh, by darn. Nope, can't do that. Look at this nice mug here. It's Homer Simpson. If you remember the cartoon here, I know you all do. It's a Flaming Mole. Remember that drink Homer made in one of these on the show here? They call it a Flaming Mole here. And this is the one of the glass collection they had back in the day to promote this drink. You know, like. But it's a cool mug. It's called the Flaming Mole here. And it said Flaming Mole, far made it better. What was he said to? I remember the episode. I think years ago they. I think it was some kind of cough syrup or something like that. It was, and Homer set it up on fire. They did put a match to it, and it changed the formula of the drink and made it a lot better. That's why they said fire make it better. But thanks, Stop, Shop, and Roll for this nice looking collectible glass here. And please, guys, you check them out on eBay called Stop, Shop, and Roll. Thank you. You have a nice day, and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.